Hey everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Broan model 688. And this purpose of the video is going to show you how to remove the fan assembly of this 688. We have similar models. It's the Broan 670, 671, 688. We've been making this fan for years. The fan assembly comes out the same on all of these models. So I hope this video helps. Let's get to it. All right, before we get started, always make sure the power is disconnected. Turn that breaker off that's sending power to this unit anytime you go up inside the unit to work on it or clean that unit out. It's a good safety practice. First thing you would do, if this were mounted in the ceiling, you would grab onto the grill and you would pull up on it. The grill, and I just have it laying on the unit, has grill springs. These grill springs, what you would do is you would squeeze the grill springs. These springs actually go into the grooves on each side. There's a little notch, and that's where the grill spring goes. So it goes, I just took one off here, just like so, inside the unit. So that's what holds, you'd push it up, and that's what holds that grill to the can. What you would do if you needed to remove this fan assembly, you would unplug the motor from the receptacle. If you take a look, there's two notches on one side of the housing, and hopefully you can see this, and there's a single tab on the other side. What you're going to do is you're going to take a regular screwdriver and you're going to stick it in between the housing and that plate, and you're going to turn the handle of the screwdriver like so. And what that is going to do is it's going to separate that partition plate from the housing, and you'll be able to pull that fan assembly out like so. That's as simple as it gets. You can actually, if you were wanting to clean this, you could take this plate, go outside, you could take an air compressor and lightly blow the dust and lint off of it. You could take a vacuum cleaner and vacuum it. You could vacuum up inside this can housing if there's a lot of dirt and lint. To put a new unit back or the existing one back, you're going to start by the two tabs, and you're going to put them in the housing first. You're going to lock them in like so, and you're just going to push it, and that tab will lock back into the housing. And then you would plug that unit back in and put the grill back on. That's as easy as it gets. I sure hope this video helps. Thanks.